Alright, so I have a 2009 Yaris, Toyota Yaris. Came in because it has airbag light on. Start it and it stays on. So that means that there is a problem with the SRS system. So I went and plugged in the scanner and pulled the code B1901, and it says open in PT squib right hand side circuit. So checked everything, and the last thing I was going to check was the retractor. I've never seen one do it before, but I have it unplugged right now because I had to check the harness for short to ground, and the harness was good. So I ended up swapping passenger side retractor to driver side, and the code changed to B1906. It reads the same thing, except that it's left hand side. So I've got a retractor. I've got another retractor coming to me, and I'm going to replace it, and it's going to fix the code. So if you have a code B1901, B is a boy,